Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Please download my latest ebook. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about one of our biggest success stories in the company. This was actually when I rolled out my dealership professional program, and a lot of people don't know about it. I don't promote it as much as I probably should, but again, never want to come off like we're trying to sell something, but I think it's a very unique product because I haven't seen it in the industry at all, and that's in the credit industry or the finance industry or the auto loan, what dealership, whatever industry that it all wraps around into. I've never seen it before, and I think it's pretty cool, and that is called my dealership professional. All right, so we're going to talk about how my client went from a Nissan Sentra to a Mercedes-Benz. Okay, so now let's go straight into it. Of course, you're probably thinking, okay, does this even make sense, right? Well, it all depends on what your goals are. All right, so the very first thing that I do with any of my clients that are looking to, go into a home, go into a car, the first thing we do is we got to make sure we check the credit, right? So of course, we ordered my FICO reports so I can see all 28 scores. I showed her how to read her auto score, and then that way we can determine what her interest rate, like a bracket of what it's going to be. Okay, now why that interest rate is important, I'm going to get to that in a second, but we want to make sure that the score even qualifies. Okay, now just because you can get approved doesn't always mean you should move forward. Okay, so what does that mean? If a person's, let's say, a 580, 590, they're making over $100,000 a year, then they will most definitely, I would say so, they would be approved, right? The problem is that you're going to have a much higher interest rate, and then that segues into what the payment is going to be. So for her credit score was well into the 700s. So I said, okay, this is what your interest rate bracket is going to be. She says, well, is there more of a way for us to get like a better, let's say closer, bracket, like, almost narrowed down to the number? But again, every state is different, every lender is different. But one thing I knew for sure is that since I've worked at the dealership for over 6 years and I sold over 550 cars in less than 4 years, I know the auto industry very well. Okay, so what we ended up doing was we got the score, and I prepared her of what her payment was going to be like. The reason why that's important, all right, is because she's coming from a Nissan Sentra. So, and not joking about it, it's just a matter of what the payments are going to be. So I think she came from like maybe around $300 a month or somewhere in that range, 300, 350, whatever. Now you have to prepare yourself for going into a $600 car payment, 650, 550, depending on what type of car you're looking to go into. Okay, because we were debating on which vehicle she should go into, whether she should go in with a purchase or a lease. So that's how we did it. So number one, we checked her credit, and then number two, I prepared her for the interest rates. How do I know the interest rates? Again, been in the industry for 6 years. And that's how my client saved over $7,500 by working with 850 Club Credit Consultation. And that's our new dealership professional product that we just rolled out not too long ago. And again, should have been promoting it, but again, I want to make sure that you guys got the gist of how the entire process works. Okay, so again, if you like this video, be sure to like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have a lot more great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.